Today we're looking at a video from my aluminum discus, and I'm actually going to be making a lot more of these. Getting just one cut ended up costing me like around 50 bucks, but now I found a way that I can actually source them and sell them for $50. So you're going to be able to get them for the same cost that it cost me to make this. So that's exciting. I don't know if it's going to be better than carbon. Carbon's lighter. It does seem to be able to take a hit. It's aluminum 70-75. I might charge around 60-70 for them if I get them anodized, which is a special process where basically I take them to a guy and they dip them into stuff and they charge them with electricity, and it makes the aluminum even stronger. But this is one of the strongest alloys, the 70-75 aluminum. I don't know, it's really cool. It looks like a DeLorean to me. Before I had it like this, I had the battery underneath and it was flying fine. But now in this configuration with the camera on top, the battery on top, I haven't messed with the tune or anything in like years. So I have to retune it, rebuild it, and do all that, and it'll fly a lot better. Footage from this, I'll edit it so it looks better. In the challenge number 5 in the boot camp, you can watch that and you can see how shaky it is. So that's not how it should fly, and it's not a good representation. After we fix it all, we're going to have better footage, but enjoy a nice little edit with all the footage that I've taken in the past, I don't know, few flights with this drone. If you're new to the channel, go into the description and check out my website. I do all sorts of custom drones. And thank you so much to my Patreons. It makes a huge difference, all the support I get from you guys. And as more keeps coming, you know, it just helps so much, because I've been struggling a lot. You guys have been like helping me emotionally, financially, and everything. If you enjoy the content, consider joining the Patreon. Even just $1 helps a lot. I appreciate all of you. Thanks for watching. Smoochy smoochy. Also, it's just like the balance. Balance makes such a big difference on a drone. Just by having the battery underneath, we have a better center of gravity, and it makes a huge difference. Because even this, it's a bit top heavy. So like I have to kind of like, as it's dropping, you can't drop it. You have to kind of like push the throttle a bit more to keep it more steady, because it wants to go like this. Center of gravity is a huge thing that makes a big difference. And once we rebuild this, it's going to be, the difference is going to be huge. I know it. So I'm excited to do that and show you.
In the darkness we collide, bodies moving side by side, lost in rhythm, hearts ablaze, caught up in the stance, all bodies sway. Feel the energy, it's in the air, reaching out, we're almost there. Let the music guide us through the night. We're bound by love, everything's right. Hands up, dancing in the heat. Our hearts are racing to the beat. Together we can feel the fire. Let's ignite this love and take it higher. Hands up, dancing in the heat. Our hearts are racing to the beat. Together we can feel the fire. Let's ignite this love and take it higher. In the darkness we collide, bodies moving side by side, lost in rhythm, hearts ablaze, caught up in the stance, all bodies sway. Feel